In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable sounds on Google Drive. If those little chimes and alerts are breaking your focus, this quick tweak will silence Drive's in-browser sounds without changing your computer's overall volume or muting other apps. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for Drive. You can confirm by checking the profile icon at the top right. If you prefer, you can also go directly to Drive using your usual bookmark, but I'll show the standard path from the Google homepage so it's easy to follow. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. It looks like a square made of smaller dots. This opens a panel with Google Apps. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll the panel or use the search box within it to find Drive. Click Drive to open Google Drive in a new or current tab. Once Drive loads, look to the very top right of the page for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click the gear, and a small drop-down will appear with a few options. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This opens the main settings window for Google Drive, where you can adjust how Drive behaves in your browser. In the Settings panel, locate the section labeled Sounds. Here you'll see a checkbox that controls whether Drive plays sound effects for actions like moving files, completing uploads, or showing certain alerts. To disable these sounds, simply uncheck the box. There's no separate Save button. Drive applies the change right away. You can close the settings window when you're done. From now on, when you work in Drive on the web, you shouldn't hear those notification pings. A few quick tips to help. This setting affects Drive's web interface in your browser. If you also use the mobile app or the desktop Drive app, their notification sounds are managed separately in those apps' settings or your device's system preferences. If you don't see the sounds option, try refreshing the page or make sure your browser is up to date. Some features roll out gradually. And if your account is managed by an organization, certain settings may be controlled by an admin. That's all there is to it. Open Google, use the grid to get to Drive, click the gear, open Settings, and uncheck Sounds. Enjoy a quieter, more focused workspace, and feel free to re-enable the checkbox anytime you want the sound cues back. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Drive.